Hello you lovely lot. What a hot day today. Look, as you can see behind me, what can you see? We have power. There you go. So yes, there's switch panel. What I've done today is I've put this piece in to pull it forward, remember me saying. But yeah, there you go. I need to fit a cut-off switch or work a way out to turn these off because they're on, obviously. I shall sort that, don't worry about that. But yes, there you go. And then the dimmer switch for these strip lights, because they're dimmable, will go here. So yeah, there you go. Sits a lot better. The fridge will be about there. So yeah, it's pushed it in. There you go. There's the difference. So that's today's job complete. Hope you're all well, and I will see you soon.